to turn my lights on.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. A little foggy.
Nice and cool.
Walleye, musky, bass adventure, maybe?
Foggy. Multiple species.
That's normal, isn't it? That's some pretty heavy fog.
Might be good for that topwater lure, Jumbo.
Breakfast on the alligator.
That's right. Newports and caffeine.
Fish on. Fish on.
Drag.
Fish on. Here it comes. Yeah.
That does
A little
feel
battle.
feels a little bit good.
Not
Feels
bass,
good.
Yeah, maybe.
Hard to tell.
It's not fighting like a bass. It's a walleye, but it's a walleye. It's a walleye. Fish. It's a walleye.
Probably legal.
Yeah, looks like butter.
Little slack, Jumbo. Or there we go.
Nice. Come on.
One got back there by the battery and under that wood the other day. You should have seen me trying to get that thing out of there.
That's a nice one. There he goes. He's back.
You can tell what? You got a fish or you don't have a fish?
Yeah. Oh,
I got a fish.
there you
Yeah.
What is it? Oh, look at that.
Oh, fuck.
Trophy.
What was it?
Well, mine got off. Get that giant bass, Fred. Is that a red eye or a smallmouth?
Look at the size of that smallmouth.
Oh, Jumbo got something too. What's he got?
Giant smallmouth.
Yeah. There. He
That's
got
a walleye.
Another walleye.
Told you it was a walleye. Take him
Small.
off of there. Huh? Hold on, I got you.
What's that, about a 12-incher maybe?
There's the secret lure. There's a good lure there.
Nice little walleye. Alright. Little action there.
Push the button twice.
There you go. Alright. Something bigger hopefully next. Blue herons. There's one up in the air there.
Speed on top.
Yeah.
Fish.
It's a fish. That's a little mess. Come on. Ooh. Catch them out there in that current. It's fun, huh?
Just need to be a little bigger. It's a big lure.
You want to catch his mama.
She's really big. It's the clicker.
It's the clicker.
Number 4.
There's the old sun trying to come through. Looked like the moon before.
Yeah, sun's burn that fog.
Yeah, that fog will be gone in no time now.
I think I might have one too.
Uh-oh, we might have a double hookup. Get the net, Homer.
Yeah, I got one too.
We got a double here.
Got a double.
There's a
Mine's a
net.
walleye.
Fred's.
I think mine is too, but I don't know.
Oh, well, that was an easy unhook.
Yeah, look.
Walleye. Double walleye.
Same
right?
size.
Yeah.
Twins. God damn, that felt really big there to start with.
Horse dick, you know, so.
Yeah, I mean, if we would have netted it, they
We
weren't
weren't going to keep it.
I would have had it in there like somebody that
dam. Try that again. Right in the dam. Pliers?
No, it hurt him. Pliers jumping.
There you go. There's pliers jumping. Way easier.
I think I got it.
Oh, you got him. And in he goes. All right. How about that? Bam, bam. You must have went right through the school.
That's where you hooked up before, too.
That's definitely. There's a loon over there eating a fish. There you go. See him in the water there. Not very common to see loons here. Look at the size of it.
Showed off.
Yeah, I don't know if I got him.
That's another fisherman. Yeah, let's go to Walleye.
Huh.
See where he goes. Maybe close. Maybe he learned something.
Alright, here we go back through the hot musky spot. See if we can hook up.
Fish on!
Fish on, that's the spot for sure. George,
Got a little skin to him.
nothing, Fred. You can get one too.
Yeah, he got a little kick to him. Still got the walleye though.
I'm sure it's another one of them 14, 13-inch walleyes. Huh?
Yeah.
That's what it is.
Same one, I think.
Catching that same fish, huh?
Yeah. Something that fucking big.
Pretty. Boy, he's a pretty fish. Rough here, huh?
A little rough up in this area.
Well,
Yeah, I do got
he got a fish. He got one. Thought you had one.
a walleye. I had a little walleye. Pretty too. Clean. Now I'm hooked. How the heck did that happen? That might be 14.
Yeah. Get a whip.
Ow. Grabbies with my hands. It hurt my fingers.
And he goes. That spot's producing
All right.
for sure.
Yeah. See it come, bro? I can't see that.
Huh?
Size to it?
I'd say. It's like
Staying deep.
there. Oh yeah, that's a nice walleye.
He's legal. Want to net
I'll
him?
eat that one, yeah.
Where's the net? Right here. He's legal. Pick your rod up.
18 or something.
Yep, never mind, the hooks are in there.
Yeah.
He's definitely 15.
Look at that nice tip, white tip on the tail, huh? I love that.
Fire.
I got it. He's 16.
He's legal. There's a stringer right by you, Jumbo.
I don't know where.
You'll see it's hooked onto the boat.
It's hooked onto the boat.
Yeah, to your right.
Yes.
Look outside the boat. You'll see a little stringer hooked on.
Hold him out there.
Oh, I got it right there. Yeah, it's pretty. He's definitely legal.
Yeah.
Just 15. Yeah, 16.
So what's the legal size?
15.
Oh, I should have thrown it back there.
That's perfect eating size. 15's legal. He's legal. It's almost 16.
Should have thrown it back.
That's perfect eating size. I like these ones.
Yeah,
No
I like
bones.
We're bagging them here.
Starting to get them.
14, 15.
Oh, he's bigger than that.
Yeah, he's pretty nice. Want the net? Can't.
Yeah, he's got a snag. Here we get one with that.
Yeah, that's a nice one there. He should be 18, 17 maybe.
All right, let's get Jumbo's lure. Where's your raw line, Jumbo?
He's out.
Let me get over here, Junior.
Yeah. A little small here, too hard to.
Where is it?
It's in the net. Reach in there and get it.
Only do one thing at a time. Yeah, he's probably 17 ish.
Fucker, get in there.
There he goes again.
Oh, there I go. Sorry.
Can't help it.
Damn it.
Hold them up. Hold them up here a little bit.
There we go. Look at that.
Yeah, there you go.
They're getting bigger and bigger and bigger.
And bigger, yeah.
Okay?
Yeah. Another fish on. Fish on. Yeah, got one. Little one. Little one. Maybe. Walleye. Walleye spot there, the hot spot.
Ski him in. Must be hooked onto the draw or something. Sauger.
That's a
It
sauger.
is a sauger.
Yeah, a sauger.
Coffee, Jumbo. Never mind. Here's another one.
Yep. Double up.
What do we got there?
Oh, red eye. We got a red eye.
Red got a sauger.
We did sauger up, so we can see the difference compared to a
Saugers
walleye.
are pretty.
Look how
aren't they?
dark and pretty they are.
Yeah,
It's way different than a
oh, yeah,
walleye.
The fins.
Come on, red eye.
Way different than a walleye.
Yeah. What's the
Beautiful.
size limit on those?
These are 12,
Yeah.
so he's legal.
Yeah, but he's keeping this one.
Nah, he's kind of little.
they
16
are
I
pretty,
keep
boy.
with. They are.
What do you want to do with this red eye?
That's good bait.
Yeah, musky
That's
bait.
good bait.
Another 2. We're up to 12.
Yeah.
Let's swing it around and do it again.
Yeah, why not?
Fish on!
Yeah, that might be a nice one there. Looks like it. Fish on.
It's a walleye.
Boy, I seen that one hit.
Not gonna swear either.
Uh-huh. I hear you.
Whoa! Damn it! Yeah.
Coming around. Oh, I see him.
Okay.
Nope. It's a bass. A nice bass.
That's
Small
a-
bass. Bigger than the other one.
Boy, they do fight.
Yeah.
Walleye
I
fly.
could tell how he hit it. That he can do that.
He ain't hooked too bad.
You can get him on hook right there.
Oh, can't.
It's about a
12,
base 12 here.
Yeah. Need the pliers.
Need the pliers.
I got my own pliers somewhere.
There you go.
Here's mine. Bringing up cigarette.
Oh, God damn it!
Yep. There we go.
I said I wasn't gonna swear.
Well, you're allowed to swear when you hook yourself. So.
Pretty
Nice.
dark.
Pretty, real dark. Real dark. Well.
Oh,
Caught a fish in a hand on the same lure. Huh. Yeah.
if you don't get hooked.
Fish on. Oh, it's real little.
No.
A little bugger.
Yeah. What is it?
Feisty.
Who knows? It's fighting like a
I'm thinking
bass.
it's a bass the way it's, yeah, that's long. Yep, another little bass. Boy, they dark, huh?
Oh, he's hooked bad. You ain't gonna hook me, you sucker.
You're gonna need the pliers for that one, I think.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, another smallmouth.
Ripping
Oh yeah, nice one, huh?
Real
two
tasty.
fish on.
Look at the bass.
Two fish, we got two.
Looks like a bass. Another
Wow,
double.
Another double.
Another walleye.
Oh, mine. No, he's still on
Still
there.
on it.
This one feels legal.
Mine's real deep. Must be a walleye.
Sauger.
Look at the saw.
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
All in there.
Feels legal, whatever it is.
Let's see what we got here. We got a sauger.
That's a bass.
A bass. Boy, he's fighting, huh?
He is fighting. Kind of chunky. Coming in.
Come on, bring him up. Oh, yeah, he's about 12 or so, huh? Fish on. Right on the seat.
It's alright.
Maybe he could drive.
That'd be nice.
Yeah. Let me get a video of that sauger, Jumbo, before you throw it back.
You get him on hook.
Pretty nice.
Yeah, nice.
Or sit right here and plug and catch all kind of fish.
Yeah, probably. That's another double hookup. That's
On it. Come on.
where's he at? Who's winning there, Jumbo?
The sauger. Look at. He don't want me to throw him back, I guess.
Feisty little buck.
Yeah, he don't
Oh, so look at them pretty fins, huh?
Yeah, they are pretty. Yep, let them go.
Looks like a grayling.
Yes.
Ain't graylings got weird fins like that?
They got
on
a
the
real
back?
big dorsal, yeah. Fish on. Got a fish and a snag.
Walleye. Might be a sauger.
Yeah, all of a sudden we're with the sauger.
It's a sauger.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, don't get it. It's a walleye.
Walleye?
Ain't it?
Yeah.
It might be
Yeah, I
last.
see the white tail.
Look at that.
He's legal. Look at that.
Came right off. That's how you unhook them. Better measure them. Grab them.
I got him.
Maybe. Probably 14.
Yeah, I don't think he's legal.
I don't think he is either.
But find out in a second.
I mean, it's close.
There we go. Gotta give me some better. Fish on. caught on the other one. Fighting a little bit. Oh yeah. About the same size as the last one. It's hard to say. Legal? Yeah, that one looks legal. Tape. Fires, tape. I think he's legal. Maybe. Close. Back over here. Well, he ain't legal. It's about 13 and a half. 14, yeah. Good? Yep. Them fins will get you. Yeah. A lot of action. Up. Quick release. Quick release. Hold them up. Little bass. Wait, hold on. I'm missing it. Alright, there we go.
Gotta find the hot spot now.
Yeah, I'll say, man. That was like less than a minute from the bass. Just caught.
Bass,
It wasn't even that.
that's a little walleye.
Little walleye. Oh, wow. Oh, there goes water all over the camera.
I don't think he's legal, do you?
No, I don't think so. Well, that's another walleye.
I gotta remember over here.
Oh,
Yeah.
something big.
Yeah. Something
Sheephead,
maybe? Not that big. Might be
Not
a
that
nice
big.
walleye. It's not bouncing like a sheephead. Might be a legal walleye though.
Feel some head shaking.
Yeah. Nothing that.
Head shaking, I don't know, we'll see it. Find here. That's another bass. I know, it's a walleye.
Walleye. That's a legal one there. Yeah, he's legal. Yeah, I think he's legal. There you go. Huh.
Might barely be.
Oh, he's legal. 16. I would say. Maybe. 15 legal. What's that? Is that 20 for the day? 19. Catching a lot of fish.
Look at that.
Yeah,
Came
love
unhooked.
love when that happens. No, he's definitely 15. Solid 16.
Yeah.
Stringing him up, Jumbo.
Bring them up. I have enough for walleye dinner tonight soon. Well, that was fun.
When I heard take the drag,
Something big.
I got one too.
We got another double going on.
Going off.
It's staying down. Not fighting like a bass.
Hold your rod up.
Walleye.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Oh! Horsed it.
Was a nice one. That was probably the biggest one of the day. That new lure works.
Jump?
Jump.
Yeah. Did jump and dragged it to the top.
We ain't quite like him. We'll see you back.
Yeah.
10 plus.
Medium.
Fight nice though, huh?
Huh. I like my seat too much.
Be nice and slimy, huh?
Ooh, he's pissing all over me.
Yeah. Huh?
Peeing, I should say.
Yeah, really quick. Nope, he spit it. He spit it. Go on, put it here, Jumbo. Jump. Jump. Skip him.
Ski him in.
It is a little bass.
Dark.
They're real dark. Another bass.
Nice little bass.
Yeah.
Let him grow up.
Fawn there.
Big, whatever it is. Feels like a big bass. I don't know. Oh, get that line in, Jumbo. Hurry up. Working around here.
Trying. Gonna jump.
Oh man, it's big. Decent, whatever it is. Oh, that might be a muskie, guys. Oh man, he's fucking pulling. Might be a sheephead. Oh, I swear. Where's that nut?
Right here.
It's
Down the
big.
seat,
It ain't
Jumbo.
no sheephead. It's a muskie, I'll
Down the
bet.
seat.
It's a muskie, gentlemen. Oh yeah, it's a muskie.
Believe it when we see it.
I guarantee it's a muskie. He's coming over. I want to see it. It ain't no sheephead. Sheephead don't fight like that.
Yeah, he's really pulling, boy.
That's a muskie. They're a giant walleye. It's a muskie, I'll bet. And it's big.
You think it's big?
It's big. I guarantee you it's giant. Whatever it is,
That
it's
net,
giant.
Jumbo, it's behind the seat there.
It ain't no sheephead. It's a muskie, I'll bet. It's shaking. It's a muskie, guys.
We'll see in a second here, maybe. Maybe.
Coming up slowly. It's a fucking muskie, I know it. Tell.
Muskie.
He's getting tired. Got that net, Jumbo.
No, he doesn't.
Get your shit together here.
He hit me with it, right?
We're all on one side of this boat. I'm gonna put my life jacket on. That'd be funny if he has a lure in his mouth. Ooh.
Fucking muskie, guys, I'm telling you.
It's a
Giant sheephead.
That's a heck of a muskie.
Thick.
What an asshole.
Get him over here.
He's coming.
Mr. Captain Sheephead.
Does that thing weigh?
5 pounds, 3
Scale,
pounds,
don't
4 pounds.
you? You snagged him. Snag the old bugger.
Oh! Weighs more than 5.
Look at that thing. It's got a prehistoric. You got your scale, you can weigh it.
Give me the,
I need to move, huh?
give me the pliers.
There's the middle. Hold on. Okay, good, no.
There you go. What's it? 5 pounds, 6 pounds, 5.15.
Huh. That's amazing.
You want it?
Yeah, put it on a stringer.
You eat them?
Hell yeah, they're good.
No. You pulling my leg.
Yeah, I wouldn't eat that damn thing.
We're gonna make sushi out of them, sell to the kids.
Make
Kids will eat it.
Fertilizer.
Yeah.
patties out of it.
And away he goes, back in.
Well, welcome to the show. Little southwestern Pennsylvania river fishing today. We kept 3 walleyes. What did we end up with? 22 fish today?
22 total, yep.
And
A little bit every day.
Yeah, mostly walleyes. Small moss. 1 big sheephead. Jumbo lost 1 nice walleye, probably the biggest one.
Probably,
but,
Pretty nice.
all trolling. A lot of fish in that river.
All early morning too, pretty much.
Yep, we were out at about 5:30, a little bit after, and we fished till about 11, and started getting slow here recently with the hot weather. But yeah, we had a lot of fun.
Fun day.
A lot of action, so
Back at it tonight.
yeah, get out there and get fishing. Go get them.
Good eating.
Yep, dinner tonight right there.
Well, I got a giant eagle back.
See you in the next one.
There's the end result of the walleye we caught this morning.
Oh my, this is good.
Nothing better.
Rise to the challenge with the rugged performance.
Take care of this pouch.
Well, I'm gonna dig in.